This video could save your life. A fire can engulf a whole room in just minutes. A working smoke alarm will give you more time to escape safely by warning you if a fire starts in your home. When was the last time you tested your smoke alarms? These simple steps could save your life. 1. Have mains-powered smoke alarms installed by an electrician. 2. Test your smoke alarms monthly and keep them clean. Dust and cobwebs can make smoke alarms less effective. And 3. All smoke alarms should be replaced every 10 years. Remember, only working smoke alarms save lives, and these simple steps could save your life. 1. Have mains-powered smoke alarms installed by a licensed electrician. 2. Test your alarms monthly. And 3. Replace your alarms every 10 years. For more tips to help you and your family stay safe, visit the DFES website or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.